Suzuki Grand Vitara. A new Grand Vitara is born after undergoing dynamic evolution as the latest model in the Vitara series, with a history of over 30 years. The year 1988 saw the birth of a compact SUV, a four-wheel drive vehicle of an unprecedented genre. Vitara was an authentic cross-country four-wheel drive vehicle with a ladder frame and a front-engine rear-wheel drive chassis. But it also prioritized on-road driving performance with enhanced stylishness, making it a new type of urban four-wheel drive vehicle. The part-time four-wheel drive system was equipped with a low-range transfer mechanism for high off-road driving performance. 1998 saw the birth of Grand Vitara with its expanded body size. The characteristics of the Vitara were evolved from being a lightweight, compact and authentic cross-country four-wheel drive vehicle with a refined design. At the same time, its basic features were dramatically improved, including its collision safety, comfort, quietness and driving stability. It evolved while inheriting the Vitara DNA, such as the ladder frame. It achieved excellent driving performance, both on and off the road. In 2005, the Grand Vitara underwent a full model change. Based on the concept of being an off-road athlete, it was given a sharp and edgy design. It featured a built-in ladder frame, integrating a lightweight and highly rigid monocoque body with the tough ladder frame. This realized outstanding off-road driving performance, while also boosting on-road comfort. A major evolutionary step forward was a new full-time four-wheel drive system. The new system included a limited slip center differential for outstanding off-road terrain performance. 2014 saw the birth of the new Vitara. It inherited Suzuki's traditional SUV style, while being transformed into a stylish design. With a lightweight, highly rigid monocoque body platform, it featured a powertrain that achieved both power and fuel efficiency. The suspensions also enabled enjoyment of sporty and exciting driving. The four-wheel drive system evolved to become electronically controlled. It was equipped with All Grip Select to allow easy switching among 4 driving modes. It handles various kinds of road surfaces, realizing outstanding driving performance and stability. It provided greater fun and peace of mind to drivers. Ever since the 1988 Vitara opened up a new genre of compact SUVs, the Vitara series has come to be loved throughout the world. Its sales volume has reached approximately 3.85 million units. And now comes the all-new Grand Vitara. It has evolved into an SUV fit for a new era, with features that include powerful and aggressive styling, advanced preventive safety technologies, great user-friendliness, and All Grip Select for electronic control. The all-new Suzuki Grand Vitara will pioneer a new world in SUVs.